Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. So there are two kinds of people in the wealth creation process. The first person is one whose work in progress towards retirement. He is saving and investing to build a retirement corpus, a retirement fund. The second kind of person is who's already reached his retirement, or I'll call it as a financial independent stage. He has a large corpus or a decent enough corpus. He has reached his age of retirement, and this corpus, this fund, he wants to earn income out of it, which will take care of his household expenses and other expenses, and it will also grow his wealth. So these are two kinds of people that I have talked about. Now in this video, we will look at the second kind of person, that a person who's already retired. He has some corpus or an amount to invest, and he wants monthly income out of it, which will take care of his expenses and also grow his wealth. Let's see what can be best done for him. Now, in this case, I have plotted an Excel sheet. Let's understand it here. His age is, say, assuming 60 years. He has an amount of 50 lakhs to invest. He wants 25,000 per month out of it as a monthly income, which will take care of his household and all other expenses. He wants this for 15 years. He is happy even if he receives this amount for 15 years. So, what is the total amount that he receives? The total amount that he receives is 45 lakhs, which is 25,000 received per month for 15 years. Now, how will his asset grow like? So he has invested 50 lakhs. He's receiving 25,000 per month, but still his asset also grows to 60 lakhs after 15 years. So this is what happens if you do it through, yes, mutual funds, by using a concept of systematic withdrawal plan. Now, how do we do this? We use a mix of balanced hybrid funds and debt funds. So it is low to moderate risk and not very, very, very high risk. Yes, there is a secret sauce and magic formula on how the allocation has to be like. But like we see in mutual funds, the liquidity is absolutely amazing. You receive the money in maximum 3 working days. Your wealth is also growing here. Indeed, there is a risk in the short run, in the short term, but as time progresses and number of years pass, the risk reduces. That is why we say that you consider it as an enter and forget product for 10 to 15 years. Now, how is it a better product than the pension plans offered by insurance companies? If you invest in pension plans offered by insurance companies, firstly, the income is lesser than this. Next is if you try and surrender the policy in the initial 2, 3 couple of years, then the surrender value that you receive is absolutely pathetic. So you can suffer heavy losses there. While here, your wealth is also growing. You are receiving an income which is taking care of your household expenses and other expenses, and it is pretty much liquid also, as you receive the money in maximum 3 days in case if you want. So to revise, let's have a look at this example again. If you know someone who's 60 years who wants to invest 50 lakhs, now this 50 lakhs can be less or more, and depending on this, these calculations will change on a pro rata basis. He invests 50 lakhs. He receives a monthly income of 25,000, which is decent enough to take care of his household as well as monthly expenses. He receives this for 15 years. So the total income that he has received is 45 lakhs over 15 years. 25,000 into 12 into 15, which is 45 lakhs. And his estimated asset value, his assets also grow to 60 lakhs. So his 50 lakhs becomes 60 lakhs, and he also receives 45 lakhs of income over 15 years. That is what is happening here, guys. Now, if you know someone who's retired, please share this video with him. If you yourself are retired, you can certainly try and do this. If you are not retired and you're in the first category, which we talked about, where your work in progress towards retirement, then please try and build a retirement corpus, because this magic can be used for you when you are financially independent or when you are retired. So do action on this. If you are retired, try and get this done. If you know someone who's retired, please share this with them. If you are not retired and working in progress towards retirement, then ensure that you have a target in mind where you want to do this later on in life, which is as soon as possible, because we always say link retirement to investments and not to age. So try for financial independence. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you found this useful.